Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down the Nmax V2 and securing the scooter. This prevents sparks and data loss. Once you lift the seat, remove the battery cover and visually inspect terminals for corrosion. Clean if needed so connections are solid. Use a voltmeter to read open circuit voltage. This tells you battery state and why charging is necessary. Make sure to position the charger nearby and set it to the manufacturer-recommended voltage so you can connect without strain. You now configure the charger for the Nmax V2 battery chemistry and current. This controls charging rate and battery health. Attach the positive clamp to the red terminal first, then the negative to the black terminal or a grounded point. This reduces short risk. Once connected, plug the charger into AC and select the charging mode. Slow or smart charge is better for longevity. Monitor initial current and voltage readings for abnormal jumps, so you can stop and reassess. You complete the process by waiting until the charger reports full charge or the voltage reaches the specified level. This prevents overcharging. Once done, unplug the charger from AC before removing clamps. Remove negative first to lower short risk, then positive. Refasten the battery cover and seat, then start the scooter and verify lights and instruments operate normally. If the battery quickly loses charge or shows erratic voltage, check terminal tightness and consider load testing or replacing the battery as a trouble.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.